For this 2003 RM125 build, I did a full engine rebuild, cleaned up the crankcase where it had some damage from where it had blown up, did a transmission rebuild, and installed a new rod on the crank before getting the cases all put back together. From there, I installed a Wiseco clutch basket, new piston, replated cylinder, and a Phathead cylinder head, painted up some engine covers, got the chassis all cleaned up and bearings removed to prepare for sandblasting. From there, I cleaned up the linkage and some other components and installed some new bearings, got the wheels torn apart, and then cleaned up the rims and got all of the scratches out of them with Pryme wheels to send them off for anodizing. I got everything back from sandblasting and then cleaned them up even a little bit more, sent them back to the powder coater and got these beautiful powder coated parts back. Did a carb rebuild, I had an issue with the slide and the bike went idle, so I replaced that. Engine in the frame, put some new MX Tech suspension on the bike and finally painted that engine cover. Went with the Polysport Restyle kit, got the radiators fixed up by Myler's, installed a brand new FMF exhaust, and finally got the wheels laced up. They were the last thing as I was waiting on spoke nipples. Super rewarding build and stoked to see it come together.